Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be modeling this hangboard. So it works now. To all of you who don't know what a hangboard is, this is a kind of workout tool. So using this you can, it is also known as a fingerboard, so you can uh, do strength training using this board. So it's basically mounted on wall, and then you can uh, hold onto these slots and hang yourself. That's where the name came, hangboard, and it's basically used for strength training. Right, so let's see how we can quickly design this one inside SOLIDWORKS. Right, let's close this for now. I'll go for a new part. Okay, and I'll change the document units to IPS from bottom right corner. Then let's start with the very first sketch on the right plane. Let's take a line, and let's say I'm gonna go a midpoint line from the origin. Go for a normal line, file, profile. Okay, that should be connected. I'll undo that. It's 2 point. Alright, so this is the simple profile. Let's go for dimension 6 inches from here to here, 1 inches. This could be 2.5, and also from here 4 inches. Okay, once you have your sketch fully defined, the sketch will turn black. Let's exit the sketch and go for a extrude boss base. Here, let's go for mid plane with 12 inches. Alright, we'll do another sketch. To do that, I'll select this face and go for sketch. And I will only do, I'll select the face and convert the entities so that we have all these outlines. This is sketch, and then let's do a line point, then give it a dimensional constraint between these two, angle constraint 55 degree. Then let's trim these two. After that, you can exit the sketch, and let's go for extrude boss base again. Change the depth to 4 inches. Yeah. After that, I'm gonna do another sketch. Let's select this face, sketch, convert entities, the line to this page with a dimensional constraint between these two, 60 degrees. Then for a trim off. Exit the sketch and again go for extrude boss base, 4 inches, that's fine. Let's do our last sketch, and let's select this face, sketch. Let's convert entities, and here I'm gonna do a 3-point arc, so to arc like that. Okay, next I'm gonna do tangency between these two. We can say another tangency to which else we can delete. We can show all the constraints, so let's delete the tangent relation and stick the, okay, let's delete the arc because I don't want So I'll do an arc from the end point to this edge like this. Now I can give tangency with 2. Then I can do another tangency from this edge. And then I can get rid of this one, sketch, and have a profile which looks this. Alright, so then go for extrude boss base. Just have completed the half of our board. Now we can do mirror. So for a mirror command, the features to mirror, I can say uh, 2 and 4. Then face to mirror or plane, you can right click the board. I will do the slots for this one. So let's for another sketch face here. Let's start with some center line. For midpoint line, I can one from origin this, and another line I can do from this middle point, not that one, but let's go for center line, one line from the origin. Okay, last center line I can define center to here. Okay, now we have the center line, so let's do some basic sketches. Let's go for a center straight slot from this origin, this, then define dimension. So let's go dimension just from here. Right, so we can do another slot, the slot, this one we can dimension just uh, equal to 1.5. Also a distance from this point to point could be right. Let's do other line arc, yes, and then select your previous arc, select this arc, them equal, then give smart dimension from this point to this point, 0.75. Let's do a different profile this time. Let's go for a circle with a smart dimension 125 diameter, 75 inches. Let's do a last slot over here like this. Select the first arc and the last arc, them. If the final is smart dimension from the center of circle, this center of the arc, 0.75. What we can do is can utilize the copy command. So let's copy entities, dot circle, And let's go for starting as this one, and I'll paste on this point. It's the escape. You have the same dimension for the copied also. And after that, I can do one thing. Can go for mirror entities, and I can slot this slot, circle this slot, this one, and will mirror it this. Now we have all the slots for our hangboard. So let's exit the sketch. Go for extrude the cut. I will go for chess. That's fine. I've defined the cuts. Now we can do some fillet. Let's go for a fillet. I'll type in 0.125 inches radius, and let's select this edge and the side edge. Make sure you are selecting edges, because if you select face, then you get some error while doing. Very See, I've selected the face, so I can come and delete it. Only edge selection. So I've selected all the edges. I'll make sure that my radius is 0.125 and press the green tick. Get a nice fillet. So, slots. After that, let's do. I want to make this corner. So I want to make this corner and this corner a little bit curved. So let's go for another fillet. Let's go for face fillet, face and face. Change the radii to 1 inches and press the green tick. A nice corner over here. We can repeat the same fillet on its face to give a nice round corner that edge. Okay. After that, let's do more fillets. So we'll keep the bottom flat, but in the top we'll do some fillet to all the sharp corners. Let's go for fillet, edge fillet 0.15 inches as the radii. Let's select edge, edge, edge. Let's go. Let's do the edge. So so press the green tick to have a nice fillet all over the front. You can say the top face of our hangboard. Keep the bottom flat because this will have some kind of mechanism so that it could be drilled onto the wall. And let's do a last thing that we will. And let's select this face, go for sketching. I will insert text for the hangboard. Let's start with a center line. This, then can change. It's too much, so let's 5. Yep. Now we can utilize this curve to place our text. I'll select my curve as this. I'll type in board. Can do our own font, so let's go else what font. Paramount regular. Let's go for points. 48. Okay. If it looks too small, you can always go and change the 22. That to 58. Now we can finish the sketch and let's go for a cut and change the depth to 5. The green tick. We have our hangboard and wooden polished. Oh, looks right. So that's how you can design a hangboard inside SolidWorks. I hope you guys like it, and if you have any doubts regarding the design process, feel free to comment down below. And if you're watching, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Out.